In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Canva website to PayPal in just a few straightforward steps. This process will enable you to add a PayPal payment button to your Canva site, making it easier for customers to complete purchases directly from your platform. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Elfsight, a platform that offers customizable website widgets. Once you're on the Elfsight dashboard, look for the catalog section. Go ahead and click on it. This section hosts all the different widgets available to you. It's a great resource for finding tools that can enhance your website experience. Once in the catalog, type Pay into the search bar. This will narrow down the options and bring up relevant search results, including the PayPal button widget. When you see the option for the PayPal button, click on it to proceed. This tool is specifically designed to integrate PayPal payments into your website seamlessly. Next, you'll be asked to select a template for your PayPal button. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your website's design and needs. After you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. This will start the customization process for your PayPal button. Now enter your PayPal email into the designated field. This step is crucial because it links your PayPal account to the button, ensuring payments are sent directly to you. Following this, you'll have options to customize settings like localization and currency to match your preferences. Make sure to set your desired currency, for example USD. You can also edit the default price and set a shipping price if applicable. Remember to adjust the tax type settings to align with your business requirements. Once you've customized all these settings, click on Publish to finalize your widget setup. This step makes your PayPal button live and ready to be used on your Canva website. After publishing, a screen will prompt you to select a plan. For now, choose the Select on Free option if you're exploring the basic functionalities. With the widget now published, tap on Share Link to generate a URL for your PayPal button. After that, simply click on Copy Link to have your PayPal button URL saved to your clipboard. Next, head over to your Canva website. Once there, navigate to Apps located in the side menu. In the search bar, type Embed to find the right tool for adding your PayPal button. Click on Embed when it appears. In the pop-up, paste the PayPal button link you copied earlier. Finally, select Add to Design to integrate the PayPal button into your Canva website. And just like that, your customers can now make seamless transactions directly from your site using PayPal. Congratulations, your Canva website is now empowered with a useful PayPal feature.